Hi there, third graders. This is Ms. J.
And Mrs. Kroetch.
And we are so excited for your Thanksgiving vacation. And we thought, how could we make it a little bit more exciting? How about a graphing with Skittles activity? Yay! So we're going to go over how to do this activity with your family. Just want to warn you right off the bat, do not open your Skittles because the very first page is estimating. So on the estimating page, you cannot open up the Skittles yet. So remember, an estimate is a good guess.
Maybe
and feel around, yep, like touch the bag and make some good guesses. Let's talk about page 2, Mrs. Kroetch.
All right, page 2 is going to be doing some organization and some sorting with Skittles. And so the directions say, please tear out this page. It'll be stapled. Then sort your Skittles by color in the circles below. Try not to eat any yet.
And I can see the words are backwards, but you get the idea. Green, orange, purple, yellow, red.
Good backwards reading.
Yeah, I was just going to say dirt right there. Okay, so have fun with page 2. Then we're going to move on to page 3. Page 3 deals with a tally chart graph. Now remember, this is all about graphing and estimation, right? This is all about graphing. So the first graph is a tally mark chart graph. And we know that you've had a little experience with this in class. Team points for Ms. J and Mrs. Kroetch, you use tally marks.
Yeah, I think of like 3 reads.
3 reads, yep, the tallies, okay. And then our next graph
is what we call a pictograph. On here they call it a picture graph, but same thing. And so directions say draw a picture graph using the data in your tally chart. So you'll use the previous data from your tally chart that Mrs. Jensen explained. You may use colored pencils, markers, or crayons. So you've got 2 columns. You write the color that you're going to represent in a pictograph of the Skittles. And then really pay attention to this key down at the bottom. You're going to draw a circle with an S, like a representation of a little Skittle from a bird's eye view. And that represents actually 2 Skittles. So for every one you draw, that's going to represent 2 Skittles.
Okay, so if I drew 3 Skittles, that actually means in reality 6 Skittles, 3 groups of 2. Oh, multiplication.
Yeah, multiplication.
Yeah. Okay, yay. Awesome.
Oh, okay. On the back.
Next graph is a bar graph. So you will do a tally chart graph, a pictograph, and a bar graph. And this is the final graph. And maybe you can see it a little bit better. So just read the directions carefully and plug in the information according to what you have in your bag. After that, then you'll have some questions where you have to compare data about yellow, green, whatever the Skittles are. And lastly, looks like down here, Mrs. Kroetch, do you want to tell them about this?
Yeah. We have some inequalities. So it says for questions 4 through 9, state whether there are more, less, or equal number of Skittles by using the greater than, which we've talked about, less than, or equal to symbols. They give you an example of if they had 3 purple Skittles, comparing it to 2 yellow Skittles, 3 would be greater. So you'd make the inequality open to the greater number, right?
That sounds right to me. I like how you use the chocolate word, inequality.
Inequality.
Sounds good. Greater than, less than, equal. Can we pause it for a second, Mrs. Kroetch?
All right, we're back. We had to go grab something.
We had a sweet tooth, both of us.
Talking about Skittles.
Exactly. Since we were talking so much about Skittles, we got to thinking, that sounds enjoyable. Red. What's your favorite Skittle color?
Purple. Yours is red? Red's a close second for me.
Actually, it would be red or purple. My red one's delicious.
I like them all, though. What do they say? Taste the rainbow?
Taste the rainbow, third graders. Taste it. All right. Have an awesome vacation.
We're thankful for you.
Yes, we are. We're so thankful for you guys. You're wonderful third graders. And just have fun with Skittles.
Do some math. All right. Talk to you guys soon.
Bye-bye.